Boko.
Mixed feelings and mixed reactions. You saw the statement about say buying a short change for. Yenya better analysis and appreciation of cocoa price. Yatum. Good or bad for for.
Yo, COVID the edika meda was no machia umpanimfo ari abadwafo a modin komo ni nyina ne nipa dodo a etie akoma FM anopai wo mu ayetie Ghana ha ani abrochire nyina.
Yeah.
COVID am say yema nchechire ye no abia ba ko pe na ye nyina ye ya ebeboa ma o man nchechire ye no asiye ene say ye de no kre ye ne pepepe ye ebedi o man no ho nkomo bia se ne be ya amanfo na omanfo a etie ye no ombehu no kre na ba so mo so fa adwene bia enokre na boa amomotin afa adwen papa na ko video mo ne say ahun say aban Ghana ye nti say di kokoko ne say kuani ni ye ne kokoko ni nyina wi a wati kokoko no aban beba na wabeto kokoko no na nsa na aban beto no aban be ko no wa mansan dwom enti obeha boa ewo amansan dwom no na wode boa ni bi e de amakuani no sane be ya kuani no benya sika kafi afi ne brem na Ghana aban so enya mfaso ewo kokoko adwuma no mu enti afi bia no sa aban betwa kokoko boa na ohese kokoko na afi we metro no sen sika sen ne menya afiri mu na sika menya no emu dodo sen e na me de ma akuafo a omudua kokoko no kofi sa wo cheke a efiri se kokoko ba Ghana aban bia ni ho a wabedi akonwa o twabo e de ama kokoko akuafo na wama ebo a wanya no wa abrochire no what less than 50% e de ama akuafo no da
or the less than 50%.
yes e de ama akuafo no da
60 and 50 okay 60 okay
na just say tieni o me say aban bia twabo na
yeah
on far less than 50% e ma akuafo no
okay
yema akuafo no about 60 some cases about 60%.
Okay.
But aban bia far less than 50% e ma akuafo no da say okoko no me veji toye me veji ye no me de kwa abrochebu a me konya ye no ma fafa na ukuani no so ma fa enten si wa ha this aban we ba ye no because we ya no sabe a na unsisi kuani no osisi sanka aban a me sentem and yesi kuani na bia no koko one town one koto a think of you the kodu on ma tane boy 100 obenya 100 ni nyina wo na aban be sentem no se me koton na konya 100 na se me black kuani no ebi a 30 na 40 a se kuani no wasiki no this is the argument na fi we no a special year our cocoa production mu senti afi we special year ne say ebi se cocoa ba wi ase cocoa nya bo kese se bi afi we enya no da yenti abasa ne say wi ase nyina no aman mienu a edua cocoa kese pa we wi ase no eye Cote d'Ivoire ene Ghana Cote d'Ivoire ne Ghana nko a e produce almost 70% of cocoa ya tiri wi ase nyina. And the Cote d'Ivoire ni Ghana ekoko so te pe na ewiase koko bo no ayeden na fi we Ghana koko no so atia efi say ye share koko tia se wo Ghana e bi si da 2011 abai boy amane say Ghana koko ya te 1,045,000 1,045,000 kofi afi we Ghana koko production and in them 450,000. 450,000. It's a Ghana Safoni now come out to boom. No more 1,045,000. Nina a tiba 45,000. Adia Bakupenda was the catch say. I'm not a Kuafono income from cocoa no. Reduced significantly.
Serious.
A serious. I'm a Kuafoa a number over 2 million. Our Ghana hakoko platform do about 2 million. One cocoa nyina ya 450,000 tons. And na cocoa na swatinti no. Ama wiase nyina cocoa asoto we wiase dwom. Ezesi ano companies ni kutasika. Ba unya cocoa ni bi nyadai ento. In fact, International Cocoa Organization I estimate say the shortage in the global market no between 300,000 and 500,000 tons. Coefficient in Kuano Yenyanto, People have money. Say a better cocoa up to 500,000 tons by a Yabinya day and top. And I'm a cocoa buakosoro. Ejukuanina, ni production at decrease takrakasano. The only way Ubetiama, the one train say, price na Abama San Jomno, Manokase, na compensating for the loss of them. I hope I'm making sense. Good. And Abaway, on club Wabakaya, club was September. No, made the one number as a coffee. Tabano Mukabuano, a bonnet $3,600. And normally $2,600 a chap buono. And I'm saying, baby, Taboy Amudi Chay, must see a crafono. There won't be a must set aside $1,000. A peso so I see you a catch on Sabuano Bacosro. Now we are a marketing company. Now, monitor all for the Amansan Jomudia. I was at the monitor international market, no, and I said Bacosro and answer and Cosro. Could you not catch a parliament by Jibosiana? Cut out the Duya. Collateralize number of the carton cocoa dadano. If you are Koshan Catema, collateralize just 36.2% of your cocoa, your project is a better opinion. Collateralize just 36.2%. It's a time say, sometimes you want to cocoa in another. I don't know, catch on the bench, say, a move 36.2% per maton. Joe, you said that you need to see a one control. Into Antony in answer by way of strategy, say, a one of course, you bring advantage near your post it, you go see one near Tony Cacatiano, near the Abba. And the finance committee, Ebita say, if that is the case, that's become moving young baby, and then I'm on the bay. And I'm sure, you bear for Toby at the stabilization account near the first canatum, Naya, the Abuak for. This report, Yenya Kokukwati or your boss MP, on a finance committee chairman, he signed the report. In fact, at the finance committee meeting, I raised this issue. And Kokuka said, no, I'm explaining what Biahu baby is can be. It's the reporter, finance committee chairman, the Bayano, not a shame to say, Cano, I was here who baby a day, a bepa. Ever seen that? The new stabilization account to be our baby. And Coco Bonasa Paja could do $10,000 per ton. And no catching coffee. Wouldn't Ghana? The whole world, Jenny Biaco Papa.
Yeah.
Yeah, your friend of quality cocoa.
Yeah.
It's yet for no. But people need some the highest premium. Jenny the quality cocoa, but the summer a premium. Our premium no. We're estimating now $497 per ton. So the one in Akahuan, with the one year plan for $10,000 to breast. So the $10,000 back, then with the $1 crowd Benya 13 cities. There is a cocoa ton biano, Ubenya 130,000, 1.3 billion OCD. Takiba bag more. There's a cocoa bag biano, Abaya 81,000. 8,125. 8,125. 81 million per bag. And look at it, young for premium, maybe Bianca Hono. 81 million. Now, so for Tonko Coco and Yinu Coco, and you're 81 million. Coffee, not for money 20 million. I buy a moon 9, Wapami and Wama Quenino Bako. So I buy now, or no regulator now on Coco Sono. And the Odia Coco, one and who here the side.
But say increase here aban there by 58%. Or say aban into more less than 60% there. So is it just a shortfall of let's say approximately 2%?
There be coffee. Now one you're wrong.
Okay.
58% no. Last year, September no, 1,308 on the mercury for no. And why increasing by 58% Abedru 2017.
And in this current year,
and your FOB now, and your FOB price now,
okay.
We are looking at that the beyond the Cosia Brochra, China Ubenya.
Okay.
Now, out of time, can send out the mercury.
Okay.
So what you say, and then I can say, a sister cocoa buyer, in fact, under rolling, what's a key records now? And that year, anywhere rolling the cotton cocoa, our rolling the pencil. Nantika Onyana Brucino, what the less than 50% mercury afford that. And a record for, I could be any hot and the present for, so cotton cocoa, Now what they less than 50% at the market for. It never happened.
So Mizorika Poku, ideally, Sana, we did this aban fair to a Kuafua, Ketras to cocoa boom by what percentage or nominal figure?
Excellent. Kofi na Mikato said 81 million, 25 for the true. Aban na nya hwe kra no. Send your baby cocoa, you man be you know. I was saying, you man 5,000, now buy 3,100.
Hey. Per bag.
Per bag no, because NDC 2016 no, na bag be 719 cedis. 719 no, aban no make for 475.
Okay.
And the bag be aban for 244.
Okay.
Aban ne yanya 81 million. Now buy no, if me for 6,055. Pianino me mount 2070. Adentia.
Wow.
It's our argument. Engineer, and your price now, a one out to jump on the here. No. Say now, walk out on enya. Now, percentage buying was Sikana Winya anymore, and I would be breaking. That is the matter.
But who compare Cote d'Ivoire price? Cote d'Ivoire and so at the year just about 2,200. Just 200 difference to Ghana. It won't say there's agitation ongoing there or there, but almost we are the same. Why?
Cote d'Ivoire, I'm running different system from Ghana.
Okay.
Cote d'Ivoire price on the other, your friend of floor price and a minimum price.
Okay.
Cote d'Ivoire buying cocoa no.
Okay.
You register private companies. And normal group cocoa into cooperatives. And normal cocoa in the and the government said this is the minimum price. Don't buy the cocoa below this price, but you can buy it above the price.
Oh, okay. I say minimum wage you Ghana.
Yes. And the Cote d'Ivoire no, on the last year, you took cocoa. Ghana say, oh, your cocoa no, you took Cote d'Ivoire for. What is the last year? Your cocoa, you smuggle Cote d'Ivoire. Now you're 150,000 tons. And you mean America cocoa but naneka?
Yeah.
150,000 tons. So value no last year price now. And no cost Ghana $400 million. And the and a Ghana, any Cote d'Ivoire, you could not amansan Joma, Yamansi a toy cocoa to Pepe. Yet to no Ghana cocoa quality, the best. In the South Ghana, premium, premium no, a certain country be out there in the world. Tabua, Yabuanusa, not your cocoa no Cote d'Ivoire for us. Kofi. Adentia. So, Cote d'Ivoire, your farm gate price, and your wholesale price.
Okay.
So, see, I'm not say, the Cote d'Ivoire, largest buying company now, auto, very near the Odewa Abuja Cotono, or call $10,000 near Chireno. The no man of 4,000 per bag of ground, or Batako.
Wow.
Because we're top near the tax for Cote d'Ivoire or the Duha when young pass will be. So, it's the area can say, cocoa industry no egu coffee and young one. So, about where be for young one. I think the Rolling Star may be NC. President Kofoto may be NC. Obi a wo tie me bia so say they make Kenya no cry. Minimum data to support it. Never in the history of cocoa. And a Rolling Star, 1892 ben na be 2000 no. Rolling to book kasa 8 years NC. President Kofoto 8 years no. Wa mo kasa 8 years NC. President Mills 4 years. Wa mo kasa 4 years NC. President Mama wa mo kasa. Na na kufa do time. Cocoa board from 2017 everything there afibi oboka. Kofi na Akuma FM, what the we manager. The 7 consecutive years. There be our kaka. Now Akuma FM kesi ho yede. Now see way. I was after for sika kesi ni nyina no. What time your budget wa bre say afi we so besa boka. So what is the usefulness of cocoa board? Now Kofi Kofi Kontem, auditor general the report abre. Now report auditor general the abre no. Kofi huna owi eba ho. Administrative expenses. Kofi so dia wo manage Akuma wo administrative expenses.
Yeah.
Administrative area office niema eba ko dia run office.
E bi ni keyboard and come ka turn 4,500.
Yes, administrative expenses no. 2016 na yenye fra konya so no. Na ye less than 500 million Ghana cedis. Less than 500 million Ghana cedis. 2020, auditor general say it increases to 1.7 billion Ghana cedis.
Hey, cocoa board.
Cocoa board. administrative expenses. Yeah, me come.
That's the Auditor General's report.
report.
Yeah.
Also 2021, it increased again to 2.5 billion Ghana cedis. 25 trillion. Well, 2021, no, not the whole Ministry of Agriculture on budget, 2.1 billion. Now the 2.5 billion, cocoa board administrative expenses. Now this can in our office say, yeah, cocoa can in one break. Mother, who may have faced the reality. Now you can't crunch here. To see how passes the individual be of Kumasi, and our word Juma, and our manager, and our Jumana Shaw and for 7 years. Not
at all. Not at all.
Everything is wrong. Everything is wrong. Now, when you cry, you know, what you remember your cocoa farmers press conference, maybe $800 million now. You see, according to the better cocoa. Yensan $800 million in that. Yensan can move $600 million. 200 yensan.
Okay.
That's $600 million. Cocoa ya ton afino. What the 1,308 na dito cocoa no check here. Less than 100 million betting a fast cocoa ni na.
I see.
Now, 600 na kwaji yeno. We have $500 million for other activities. And so cocoa na to yeno. 450 years here tono. Land buying companies that cocoa, more free cocoa no. At the abre cocoa but still between three cocoa no ka. So where is the money?
But as we speak, with all these analyses have we forgotten the fact that a buying so say or investing in rejuvenating your cocoa, or more a cocoa nugu, or more tough fertilizer mercury for, or more. These are all expenses I buy back at yourself. Almost alongside.
I don't know, cocoa is kind of
okay.
What with the Ghana cocoa Miano? I could get them. I could get $600 million US. 87.9. Cocoa na we ya di bedua. Eno ya another subject ya eno ho asam ye bie so a Kofi akoma efo makoma nyina bete.
Jesus.
Who die die. Se za tia fo na ya odie kase akra ne se. Ye di ni cocoa dua akwaje bosia se di bedua no cocoa. Ye twa bebre cocoa na gu in Ashanti region, in Brownful, any Western, bebre ye twa cocoa na gu. Ye twa gu ya yentimi anua. Tika no so san.
Wow.
Kofi asanto say.
My brand table to see a bit trying to go here, so on one idea.
Almost if you cannot send you a child, you could be an after you could be our dear. But you see, for a case cannot pet and almost for an answer be. Almost a cocoa no. You be child where you are. It's never make your phone your view. Yet the cocoa phone by my contractor. A Duke of Yasatuna, you can near 2 years. A banyan seniaba, cocoa no dollars about. What they make contractor ni be bia cocoa no ya efiem yenu no adu cocoa amount ko fifi sort man kwa ba de when the new cocoa bia e cha kuafo na see akuazu bia cocoa no ko bia san se pan ni bia che wo mo
obviously e akuafo na
edu ba ko ni anese moro ba bi na ye de agu kan mu say ye de ko bia kofi uhu moro ba na be ka sa tagwe ni ye ko dua o ba ka sa tagwe in fact me ko so me ko du kro ba ko so near the Moruba Bear 300 Kogu, about be so hotel, on Maswa, and come up from home. Never woo. You wasted $600 million upon nothing. After your car, after you because you are for one, just your sisters can be Sandy Kutia. I mean, Kofi, how can you do that? This are one way you of President for 4 times. You guys, because I must say,
yeah.
Some of the cocoa we are not going to say the could be under. Yet the cocoa na yet on home fast one, and on the rehabilitation from running time up to Jomama time. Obia you are the cocoa we are not going to say with the baby cocoa no. Never we are Jumana and Faswa Ubenyano. How fast will it be? And I would call cocoa and say, may the year number rehabilitation. No, with the 7 years my book and my side in Riana Koja Bosnia, as I did baby cocoa no, may buy a maintain some family and family. Coffee baby and fresh in the draw. Exchange rate, economy is dependent on imports. Now have the exchange rate through. And the cocoa canina, woman says cano. What the new mabo? You are this kind of better. Cocoa, where you fertilizer bag, and then fertilizer now and this amount of milk for free. I've always watched them. Is the cocoa canini could also fertilizer bag me no 2,000 and I can't send the one is them. These are the questions.
Missouri Kopoku said the September closing gate will be back. Now, be the October gate.
Yes, Kofi,
And
I
there will
agree
be
with you.
there will be
I agree
another
with you.
increase. In Tebani,
Kofi,
sir, now buy
Kofi-
kotumu 5,000. A better than what me could just cancel us kotum atobium in that October. No?
Kofi, the one kind of say, I light crop we have upon, but in the NCC one way, they do your media, Yadiyaka. Is that what you're saying? Is that the argument?
But is it mandatory?
Yeah, but
Yeah.
Yeah, but
the point is, so say any mandate say season be a baby in the trasa buy to cocoon or two once a year.
Depending on the price at the world market. That man we buy for 3 consecutive years. Now on two cocoon. Explanation of the man say world market price and then
yeah.
Me catch you almost say. A woman say world market price and but exchange rate so we check here na infinity and yes kabebri enti mo kete administrative cost no na mama akuafo ni ska kese 3 years o mantum obi anko ho topa obi anya ho fe so there aden na de bo na yeye na Kofi ka say wadwuma efo anu so say de osumo esika ba adwuma ni mu ayeye na so mintia mo ka kese ma mo ketwa bi me 10 September dura na me de bo afofo ama mo twe de me hia Kofi ma ni bia na ye adwuma emoa so na Kofi say everything about Cocoa Board is wrong. The mere fact that for 8 years, Nina Wabokano, and yet, and not just be a cost will be and yet. And it's obviously all because of who will be to Jamie because I'm speaking with facts.
Yeah.
Kofi Uniha. And the Cocoa Board so humble can to the bonus MLQ for.
Exactly.
Bonus of government do. 5 cities per bag, one so much. Now what your bonus, they are not my phone. A year more Cocoa Board no more can what your bonus among. So like my phone, your phone. Find a safe in here.
So obviously, yeah, man, minimally papa no be for. But what you been munswa? Say when you born a test so nke be fa sir because over the years now abaya my 2000 per the ordinary farmer there you know
no the ordinary farmer not also in terms of 2000 because now me just say
exactly
so what you say and that is why I yen you do team no me no say be man who say you got on abro say yen say the the man no so because ya kwafo na na school Kofi is that.
Yeah, exactly.
Come on, I hear school. Etina, wakachi for when you now be out check here when you born. And so why? Send the years to see my years in papa. Now I can't say baby, yes, in the grand country. No, Uncle, more from there be a jam for us and also Akuma. What did he pass on the year, Juma?
Yes.
And so you say it as it is. Not Akuma not on him. So let's condemn it. Young call out. No moons are there, and yet almost a take up a baby. Let me tell you. NPP for the doing in the Cocoa Board problem, no, as small woman in yet. So what must say? Now, one class are cutting one between you could do some better videos. What the story never battery, no.
So beyond Nkoma Yedi, the power rests with the government. When you announce a 58% increase, on pride in Hose Krawaya, Eddie Abu ready for. What do we do next?
Oh, the other next, I say. Yes, one minority, no. You be invited Minister for Agriculture.
Okay.
Now, your man about Parliament, not a better Chimama Ghana for United. You are. Yes, you have to be in the say. Oh, my trouble, my or said Yaman, you have come. And we move to all the cocoa growing areas, no.
Okay.
Now, you know, my coach, I could tell you much more than you are by night. That's all.
I see. But the old can say ideal price for now, Kenya at least 5,000 Ghana cedis.
You can say, no, Crano, I buy more 5,000, no. I buy them for 3,100. Plus premium, maybe I can get a hundred. I want now come on 5,000. That's the Queen in home beton. So, actually, who can't have one in your now catch a Queen in a Queen and pa. A down way, you know. Yenya, what pardon and then ya ain't happy.
But I say, you're not too much so intimate so much from him.
No, what a choice, sir. Kofi, you are talking. Number one, medical card say na wohwɛ administrative expenses no sɛ yɛkate ɛno kakra bi a sika bɛkɔ akuafoɔ nsɛm no bɛdɔɔso sɛ wate aseɛ ɛna regulator no yɛante koko bɔdo sɛ wɔno mɛfa sika no kɛseɛ ma akuafoɔ no ho nkyerɛ ɔmo no bɛboa mo ma akuafoɔ no yie na wo bɛboa ma me no yie na afei deɛ meme dua koko no akɔtɔn a wakyɛ sika no mu nan afa mmiɛnsa ama baako
Senior, Mame Nawase na mejiri say with this discussion, I would get engaged say obeba santemante mu minim say ekuafo dodo na no importem ha ne won kran de cocoa boards wo ba ho de obi anua cocoa ai tesi etimi nya santemante mu ana enya engagement na fe many years ago. Mame Nawase pa na ene ebia wunyante ya adwadifo ewo Kumasi say wo mo 5 days continuous demonstration visa Central Market phase 2 aban eje egu ho mo na mo wo mra se bedwam sika no efa hen fanti a yentimi nya nwie
ana me ka say aban awi wana owie
dabi Central Market phase 2 dem patcho nya nwie
na is me say aban sati kurache yan so aban won cheche mo na yan so ba ya twe ho nkomo wai yan so no be ba ya twe ho go
me da Stephania already ko poku na mo ten nka no it's just about 27 minutes past 8